Alright guys, welcome back to another futures trade plan. Today is the 14th of October. This trade plan will be for the 15th for tomorrow's session. Now today we pretty much had a down day on low volume. Okay, so which told me it was pretty much just liquidation. Okay, now the other thing you want to note is we did kind of what we expected following yesterday's trade plan. You guys should always expect some sort of rotation within an imbalance, right? A gap is an imbalance, so you see rotation inside of an imbalance. Okay, what do you see? Rotation, rotation, rotation. You expect that. Okay, I did post a trade that I took to fill the gap, a gap fill trade. I took a short up here, took it all the way down here. I did post a video on YouTube, so if you want to check that out. But anyways, going into tomorrow, I am looking for value as my line in the sand level. Okay, we no longer need this as we obviously traded it. So we're going to use the point of control as our line in the sand. We're going to be bearish below this. Bearish below. Okay, we have a point of control right here. Okay, so if we trade into this level, okay, this is like a magnet for price. Price likes to trade the points of control, or at least to stop at the points of control. We also have a poor low, a gap that we need to fill. Okay, and obviously again a point of control right here. We're gonna mark it out. Point of control right there. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Obviously another point of control down here, but that's pretty much all that we're going to be focusing on, these 5 levels right here. Next up, we got the NQ. NQ is a little bit stronger than the ES, as obviously we didn't fill the gap. Okay, we're still above this gap right here. Okay, and there was really no gap from this day right here, so we really had a little bit more strength in structure. Okay, but we no longer need this. We traded that, traded this, no longer need this. Okay, just mark out the point of control. Point of control. Below we are bearish. Above we're bullish. And that's pretty much it. Again, watch the gap. If we trade into the gap, expect a move to fill the gap. Okay, that's what you expect. Okay, now obviously it doesn't happen 100% of the time, but you have to be watching what is most likely to happen. Okay, are you going to do something that is least likely to happen, or are you going to do something that is most likely to happen? Okay, so it's on your best interest just to be careful. Like if you're trying to go long here, it's probably not a good idea. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, these are the levels. So screenshot, write them down, pause the video, do whatever you got to do. All right, next up, last but not least, we got the YM. The YM is the weakest out of all 3. There's really no aggressive buying on the YM. It's pretty mild. All right. Mark out the point of control. Same thing as the other ones. You guys get the idea. Below we are bearish. And we have a poor low right here. And then a point of control right below it. Poor low. And that's pretty much it. Again, just watch for the market to stay below this level. If it stays above, or if we know we open above here, just look for continuation. Like obviously, if we open below, look for moves to the downside. Okay, with a downside bias. That's gonna be pretty much it for the trade plans. Again, if you guys have any questions, you can reach me on the futures chat room, the free futures chat room right here, found under the trading section. So under general, forex, stocks, futures. Okay, under futures, just come here and ask me some questions, or even DM me if you want. But But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and thanks for watching, guys.